Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Mix 2 tablespoons of milk with 1 tablespoon of rice flour and add a few drops of honey. Rice flour is known to reduce the appearance of blemishes and brightens face naturally. Honey flushes out dirt from pores and gives skin a radiant glow, while milk naturally moisturizes it. Massage it evenly. Leave it on for 10 minutes, rinse and pat dry. Finish up your routine with some fresh aloe vera gel. It is rich in antioxidants, fights acne, lightens acne scars, and deeply hydrates skin for gorgeous glow. Massage it for a couple of minutes, wash and pat dry. Lock in all the DIY goodness with the gel-based moisturizer and SPF for a soft, supple and refreshed skin all day. Apply some clear lip gloss and some Vaseline as a highlighter for your day look and you're good to go. Say hello to fresh and dewy skin all day.